So something a little different today. This is one of these wall or ceiling type projectors from a company called POCOCO. POCOCO. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. No. Anyways, this is it. It's a little ceiling or wall projector, like I said. Supposedly, I'm not even sure if this is how it comes when you order it all the time, but I got it with a whole bunch of different little extra, I'm guessing like cartridges, so that you can have different settings, different scenes, different stuff on there. Anyways, as you can see here, 5K Ultra HD projection. The real Galaxies works anywhere with a battery. Eco-friendly. I guess this is a timer and gifting with blank postcards. Galaxy projector, effortless setup, etc., etc., etc. There you go, right? POCOCO. Well, let's see what's in the box. We're going to check it out, see how this looks. We're going to set it up in our room just to see. Monique's a little excited. As soon as she saw this come in, she's like, you need to open that right now. I was like, okay, I guess that's what's happening. Anyways, that's what we're doing. This somehow goes out, so one would think. Anyways, from the reviews and the little videos that I can see online, this seems pretty cool, right? Oh, you get a little thanks. A little thanks, a guide to space exploration. Another thanks with all their goodness on it. All kinds of cards, customer service. This is just a blank postcardy type thing. Okay. Another dear POCOCO, dear POCOCO, stargazers. All right. As a working mom of two. All right. This is, I guess she's the co-founder of POCOCO. Anyways, oh yeah, so you get a bunch of them. So this is going to be, I guess, your charging cable. Is it USB-C? Yes, it is. Very good. These are two, and you get Diamond Stars and Westerlund. Okay, cool. And last but not least, you get the cool little projector. And that's kind of it. That's it in the box. Yes, there it is. Seems simple enough, right? POCOCO. I apologize. Anyways, this looks like, tiltable, which is cool. You can tilt it back and forth this way, but not this way. Okay. There's your USB charger, power, some other buttons to do stuff. Snug little feet, good. And we have a little sticker guy in the top. And then my guess is all you would need to do is this, I think, just slides out. Yeah, so this slides out. You decide what you want as a, oh, isn't that tiny, right? It's like a microfilm. And then I guess all that this does is it's got these little dots on there. Oh yeah, so there's little tiny dots in there to kind of tell you, I guess, how to line it up, maybe. Yes, there it goes. And it just slides in one way. And then all you do is, I guess, just, that's it. That's all. So I got, as we saw, I got the Diamond Stars. We got the Westerlund. I got 2 extra boxes. I don't even know what's in these. Like, they're big boxes, so I'm thinking they sent maybe a whole bunch of different ones. Like, it seems like a large box. Even, if you got 1 or 2, I hope that the box wouldn't be quite that large. Anyways, we get, holy moly! Look at that. Yes, look, that's just one. I was like, oh, it's going to be, another one. No, it's not going to be another one. It's going to be another, what is that? There's like 8 in that one. And I'm guessing the same on this one would be my guess. Not as many, 8 in that one. And then 6 in this one. So this one here, the smaller one, is, what does it say? Something stars. Manner of stars. I don't know. Stars. This one is Immersive planet. Immersive planet. Look at all these. The black hole. Moon in space. Moon phase. Full moon. Andromeda stars. Oh, that'd be cool. Andromeda stars, right? And meteor shower. Well, that's pretty snazzy. And what do we get in this other one? I was pretty excited with the two free ones. So in here we get Saturn. That'd be my favorite. Uranus. I'm an 8-year-old. It's fine. Mercury. Jupiter. Venus. Please say at least there's Earth on here, right? Mars. Neptune. No Earth? Come on, Earth. Earth. There we go. Well, that's really cool. And I guess, with the stars, it's kind of nice because it wouldn't be like as colorful, right? It wouldn't be as colorful. But with the other ones, like the stars would be nice and black and white-ish. These ones, though, color. All right, I'm going to go set this up in the room and see how this looks. Yeah.
All right, guys, so set up super easy. Now the best thing to kind of realize with this is the more centered you can kind of get it in the room or have it so that it's not angled right off to the side like this, the less distortion the image is going to have on it. Now, because of our room and where this went, we had to put it way off to the side. So when you're doing things that are like, I want to say like atmospheric or, it's just stars, then it really doesn't matter. But when you see things like planets and stuff like that, you will see that they're not necessarily perfect circles and they have been like elongated and things like that. Can that matter? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But other than that, the different kind of slides that you get, all very cool. Of course, the slides are just like stationary and the actual thing just kind of spins around inside so that, it looks like it's moving. It moves fairly slow, which is good, but it moves fast enough that you actually notice it. Now, the assortment is very cool. We actually went through all of them. Nothing would have showed them all to you. But actually for me, I like the ones that are without planets the most. They just, seem the most relaxing, I guess. But the projector itself actually nice and bright. It shows itself really good on the we had it up on the ceiling, shows itself really good. So I think, depending on who you are and what your needs are for this and where you can actually set up the actual projector, it's a very, very cool little device. But again, if you have to really push it off to the side and its angle is very, steep trying to get up onto the ceiling, there is definitely going to be some kind of distortion. But if you can get it close to the bed, you have it on a nightstand, then it should actually be pretty good. For the price, I think kids will love this. And depending on who you are and what you're looking for, it may be a cool addition to your room. Anyways, that's my little look and review of it. And I'll leave links down below if you guys are at all interested. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.